Hello everyone and welcome to today's demo of Bright Contracts.
This is where we create our contracts of employment, and you'll see the employees listed here on the left hand side, which are the employees that I selected to bring across from Thesaurus Payroll. But if I wanted to add an employee manually, I just simply click Add New Employee and enter the information that it is looking for here. But I'm going to create a contract for one of the employees that I have listed here. So I'm going to click on this employee here and then select New Contract. Here I'm prompted to choose if I want to use the default contract settings or if I had a number of employees who are in similar roles. Rather than creating each contract from scratch, you can actually save time by copying the settings from another existing contract, and then you would just populate the person's specific information. However, as you can see, I don't have that option here, as I do not have a previous contract made. So I'm going to go ahead with this current selection here. So now you will see I'm presented with 6 tabs across the top. So I just need to work my way through these and populate the employee's information needed for their contract. The info that it seeks is all basic info that any company will have when hiring someone. If you click this small icon here, you will see some information, or a guide, if you will, on how to complete the information that you are being asked for. So I would suggest just clicking on these icons and having a read of the prompt below. You can actually use these drop downs here as well to select the information which best suits your company. So for example, I can put that this employee is paid €10 per hour, and it's payable weekly by credit transfer. So this is just a great way to cater the information specific to your company. You can see that there are also text boxes where you can add any other additional information. And once you've worked through all of the tabs, you just can simply click Save. If you are missing a vital piece of information that it needs, it will prompt you. So for example, here it's asking me to enter a job title. So I'm just going to populate HR Advisor. So as you can see, that has turned green now, so that is everything saved. Once your information is populated and saved, you can actually click a preview of the contract. And this will show you what the contract looks like. This is your contract. It's fully compliant with the Employment Rights Act, and it includes 5 core terms and the 15 key terms, which must be in your contracts of employment. There are extra clauses which protect you as the employer, such as the probationary clause, etc. And your contract is now fully compliant and ready to use. So you can simply click Print, or if you X out of this and go back to here, you can actually export it as a PDF, where if you actually have BrightPay Connect, you can simply upload it to BrightPay Connect. Or if you have something else where you share documents with your employees, you can upload it to there as well. If you need to make any changes to the contract, you can do so easily by just going back to these tabs and making the necessary changes. Once the contract is signed, you can mark it here and just enter the date of signature.